Every year, Malaysians produce millions of tons of waste and it's polluting our environment. But in Pahang, the IIUM Kuantan environmental team is working hard to change this trend. The team was initiated in 2018 and consisted of 11 members. Initially, all our programs only focusing on local community, but now we have expanded throughout Malaysian community. The team has set up a Facebook page called Freecycle Kuantan with a tagline of "One man's trash is another man's treasure." This Facebook page functions as a medium for free giveaway and benefiting everyone, especially low-income families. These are among the donated items. In addition, it promotes community empowerment as a platform for community to help another community during the flood disaster and COVID-19 pandemic. We collaborated with IIUM Library Dar Hikmah and managed to collect 6,200 books from the community, which were given back to various public institutions. While for the denim donation drive, 240 pieces of denim were being upcycled into library chairs, seat cover. We also conducted back to school free market program and it has benefited around 500 school students. Our team also initiated a few knowledge transfer programs for the students and the community, such as food waste compost to fertilizer, knowledge sharing to other public universities, and upcycle used cooking oil into a bar and liquid soap. Besides used cooking oil, other recycling materials were collected monthly.
Bagus dan terbaik dan patut dicontohi oleh IPTL lain.
Our programs are a win-win solution that benefits society, the environment yet cost-effective. Together, we can make a positive impact and build a better world for generations to come.